Confirmation. I liked confirmation class. We read, the rabbi taught it, and I still have the book, Pirkei Avot. And it really meant a lot to me because the thing about Judaism that makes sense to me, and when confirmation class I learned this, is that it's not so much about, well, I mean, obviously God is part of it, but it's more about who you are and how you behave and treat other people, and a way of being now in the present and honoring the past. And in Pirkei Avot, when I was in confirmation class, it was like we discussed laws and ethics. And I guess that's what I took away from confirmation so much, was the concept that it wasn't that I had to be doing good deeds because I have to worry about where I'm going to end up, God forbid, but when I pass away, but who I am now and what I give to my children, and the messages, feelings I transmit to my grandchildren.